Line them up. At the perimeter, we're running cold form steel, T-channel. And the center base, we're running those right on beams. We're going to be in the middle. So, all anchor bolted systems. I'm getting his measurements down to the T. And get your materials, they'll come in a box like this, several boxes, depends how big your building is. Like proper plate numbers. Tables and a strap. Now mind you this, ladies and gentlemen, this is from unloading the building at 12 o'clock. And now it's approximately 5 o'clock. So from 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, getting the building on the ground. This is how fast it moves. So people ask, how quickly can you get a building in? Well, you're gonna see. See, that C-channel is pretty light. This is what you call 12 and 14 gauge, okay? Now, what they're running over here, let me show you guys something. What they're running is 26 gauge PBR. So what does 26 gauge PBR mean? Well, basically, the sheathing is over here. Sheathing for the side and the roof. So when you get your sheathing and roof, there's your ridge cap right there, so prevents leaks. So that'll be run on top. So the roof is going to be gray, okay? And your side panel is going to be red. This is basically, and this is very, very, very common in pre-engineered building industry. This is how it's all going to come, just like this. There's your 6K low. Going to need to have that on site. Going to need a scissor lift as we start putting this building up together. This client is very, very knowledgeable, very smart. Owned a plumbing company for years, so he really made our job real easy and making sure this pad was done right with his concrete crew and make sure it was according to the specs.